Thanks for tuning in, folks. This is Mike Nectar. You're watching the Mike Nectar YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to unveil some really cool diamond jewelry. It's called a Charlie. It's 23 carats of diamonds. It contains yellow and white diamonds going around the entire wrist. Full value back towards your upgrade. All these diamonds can be traded in and you have a cash value, exactly what you paid for them today, in the future. I just ask that you be spending half as much or more. Plus, lifetime warranty, cleaning, repairing, adjustments. I'm here for you, folks. If I can't help you, nobody can. Big, beautiful diamonds. If you're having a hard time finding something super high-end in your local market today, you have access to the New York City Diamond District. Just a phone call away, we can FaceTime. I could send you live videos. You can send me a wire transfer and I can have it delivered to you the next morning. That being said, I am never afraid to invest in the newest technology if it will allow me to create better looking jewelry. It's all about the craftsmanship. That is the secret, okay? I'm not interested in cutting corners. I'm only interested in creating big, beautiful, amazing looking diamond pieces. And folks, when I'm done, no one's going to be able to do this. I'm not teaching my recipe to anyone else. These pieces are going to be limited. Obviously, I can only do so much. And when I'm done, it's over. Big, beautiful diamonds surrounding the entire neck. It goes all the way around. And it's graduated. The bigger, chunkier diamonds in the front, it's a little bit smaller in the back, so it's a little bit more interesting, more dramatic, more comfortable to wear. And key thing, you have to use the whitest possible diamonds for the whites and the yellowest possible yellow diamonds for the yellows, and you create this crazy contrast that everyone loves. Chunky stones down in the front, 4 or 5 carats down in the front. They get smaller all the way in the back, down to 40s and 30s in the back. This is, again, not a piece for everyone. Limited production, as always. You know what's cool about yellow diamonds? They're not on this chart. They're not on the chart, which means there's no set price for them. So they appreciate in value at a more rapid rate than any other color, than the white diamonds, for example. Same thing with the fancy color. Oh, that looks so good on the blue. Look at this. This is, now I'm thinking about it, this is enough diamonds to make engagement rings for an entire village. And you could have them all on one necklace. You know who that's for. That's for that one special woman in your life that's worth all the women in the world.